Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by lining up prerequisites, a compatible browser and a verified Tachimanga account. Download the extension package. Once done, open your browser's extensions page and enable developer mode so you can load the file. You'll be prompted to grant permissions. Read them because they control site integration. Once granted, pin the extension to the toolbar so you can access controls quickly. This gets you into the system and ready to configure site-specific settings for manga fetching and reader overlay. Now you configure how the extension talks to Tachimanga. Open Options and choose the default reader mode. You want the one that matches your viewing speed and bandwidth. Next, define scraping rules. Specify selectors for page images and next page links so the parser pulls chapters reliably. Once done, set caching and image format preferences to balance quality and storage. Make sure to enable account sync if you use multiple devices, because that preserves your bookmarks and read history automatically. Finish by testing a single chapter end-to-end. Load images, use next/prev, and save a bookmark. This proves the pipeline works. If pages fail, tweak request delays, change the user agent, or enable a lightweight proxy to avoid throttling. These fixes reduce server-side blocks. If things still fail, clear the extension cache, log out and back in, or reinstall the extension to reset settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if scraping stops after an update, recheck CSS selectors and pagination rules first.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.